Hey, what's up? This is Ken. This is my mom. Hi.
I'm going to try this stuff because I'm being forced to. I'm not sick. They're the ones that have problems. They have sniffles and they also have other problems like sore throat. And I don't know if they have a sore throat. But anyway, here I go. I'm doing this because I'm a nice guy. Yeah, some good stuff. I went down the wrong. Oh boy, I thought I was gonna be smart. Eek. Ah, yeah. Smooth. Yikes. I'm crazy. Yeah, okay, see you later. Bye bye now. Oh, what do I do? That's some rough stuff there. What? Okay, I am done for sure. I wish it would work. I wish it tastes better. See, I thought I was going to be smart, and I was going to laugh when I was doing it because they both couldn't handle it. Well, it went down the wrong pipe. And then, you know what I mean by that. So I'll see you later. I'm done. Bye bye now. My director's telling me to continue. I don't know what else to talk about except I'm crazy, and we're all a little crazy. Keep your head up and never give up, and stuff like that there. And so I will see you later, and I'm going to try to make her stop.